Now, what are that, what we can say the 11 that processes or 11 codes whatever we have identified. Because what the thing happen that when we think of IP management, there are so many processes, almost there are 130 plus processes are there. So, we have clubbed that all 130 processes into that 32 IPM related processes, and then we have coded it to the just 11 codes and then expanded to 15. So, which were that first 11 codes? IP policy and contracts, IP security system, idea generation, idea selection, IP administrative protocols, IP assessment, IP inventory, IP maintenance, IP commercialization, IP acquisition, and then IP enforcement. If you see this one point that is IP security system or idea generation, within itself only these, what we can say, these topics are very vast. Means only on IP policy and contracts you can have we can talk for hours together for what we can say, we can have a course on that thing. So, if you think of idea generation, you can think of IP enforcement, IP acquisition. These are the very, what we can say, vast areas, right. So, we have just considered now what we have done, that we have identified this as a 11 codes under the IP management process. Now, what we have done further, that this idea generation we have divided for a sake of what we can say the implementation into the 2 codes. One is like a driver, idea generation driver, and the next is like a idea generation process, right. So, these 2, and then what we have done, that inventory, maintenance of inventory when we are doing IP management is a very important. Organization keep the varieties of inventories are created, right.